Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss how you can extract information from PDF, from image. It gonna days when you were looking for some information from a particular PDF, from a particular image, and you are hiring a developer who are taking like 2 months, 3 months, and still you are struggling to get exact information from that particular image or PDF. And now, same thing you will do in just 5 minutes. So we'll see how you can do that. But before I give you a demo, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Misra. I'm a technical expert, 3 times MBB by C Sharp Corner, also top 10 community member in Power Automate. So let me start my video and see how we can extract information using Power Automate, AI Builder, and image or PDF. So first we will have demo how I created that flow and how I'm using AI Builder. So let me share my screen and you can see under my flows, I already created a flow, extract text from image or PDF documents using AI Builder and Power Automate. So I will run it, run, and it will ask you to import a image. So I have an image, I will upload and then run it. So just wait for few seconds and after that we'll see. So it's running. I will open my email address and then we'll see. So we'll just wait for it's 7:2 and let me check. It's still running, looks like. Yeah, I got new email. You can see. And here you can see I have the complete text from that particular image. Let me open that image and you can see this is what we have in image and you everything is there like title, and even though this is an icon for drop down and that is what it extracted as a v. So it means that whatever you have in that particular image, everything you will get uh, in a text format, and that's awesome. So let me show you that how I created this flow. So I will go back to the Power Automate. We'll click on Edit, and it will take you on a editor mode. And there, the first trigger I have, that is manual, because this is for testing purpose. If you want to run this flow on a particular event or like the if file is saving in a folder or you are getting a file on email, based on your requirement, you can change your trigger. And here we have the AI thing. That is what we need to use. For that, what you can do, you will click on plus step, add an action, and here you will search for AI builder. You will search for AI builder, and you can see AI builder is there, from which you can select all AI connectors. Click on see more, and there you can see these many uh, actions we have as a AI builder which we can use in our flow. So as we want to extract information from PDF and text, and that's why we'll use uh, this action. That is what I selected. Once you will select, you can see, you will click here, and the parameter, you can see the file content, the content coming from this particular file using manual trigger. So it will ask for a file, you will upload a file, and then it will do everything for you. So that's why you can see a file content as input, and then it will take you to the next step where I created a variable, because whatever data we will get in that particular data we will extract from that particular image, we will append in a string variable, and that's why I created a variable extracted text, that is a string type. And I don't add any value because that is what we'll add in our flow. Then I created a new variable to add a new line in our string. So I created a variable new line, type string and value. I added a new line. You can see here in code view, we have a new line kind of things. Let me go here again. Even though you want to add it, we'll go here, enter new line, save it. So go in code view and you can see we have new line here. So if you want to do some different kind of formatting, you can create the variable table format or something like that. We'll talk about that because that will take little bit more time. But that is how you can create the other variables to format your string as well. Then the next step we have, that is apply to each page. It means that if your PDF or file in a different, uh, you have multiple pages in your document. If it is PDF, in case of PDF, mostly we'll have the multiple pages, and that's why it's patching page by page. So you will fetch a page. If you just want to extract data from a single page, you will go apply to each index, search for a condition that I just want index is equal to page, index is equal to 0. You will just extract information from the home page of the PDF only. So that is uh, also there, that if you want to fetch information from a particular page, you can give that index. In case of image which we uploaded, that is just the one single image, and that's why it will go inside that as a single page. And then we have applied uh, to each line. It means that if your image or PDF uh, has multiple lines, that particular page has multiple lines, it will go one line by line. So you can extract one line then another line. So in that case, what we are doing is we are going line by line and then appending that line to our variable. The variable was extracted text, and there I am appending text, the line text there. Again, the new variable I created, that is for new line, I am adding here. So we have value as a line text coming from AI, and then we have new line variable we created. Here you can also, like, instead of creating a string, you can create a table format where you can add each and every line uh, in apply to each. So now our variable is ready here. Then we'll get the profile. Getting profile, I've logged in user, like connected with Sandeep at the rate my email address. That is what I'm using. And then I'm sending emails. So here you can see this text you can easily change. So we have the given name, like my name is here. That is what we are fetching from our office profile. And then we have text your Power Automate flow run successfully. Here is all text extracted from attached file. Then we are including that file and value. And also you can see add an attachment. We have the name of the file and the file content which we uploaded. So that is what we'll receive as an email. If I will go and see the same thing, like the information we have, and then we have that image as an attachment. So this is how it's working. If you want to do some other things instead of this, easily you can go change all these steps. But the main purpose of showing this flow is how you can extract information from PDF and text, and that is what you can do using recognize text in an image. So that's the AI connector, that's the AI action you can use. So hope this will make sense how you can extract information from PDF and image easily just in 5 seconds using AI Builder and Power Automate. With this, we came to end of this video. We learned how you can create Power Automate flow using Power AI Builder to extract information from PDF and image. Hope this will help you to extract information in your business using PDF and image. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel so I can create this kind of video which can help you in your profession, in your business to create easy power automate flow. See you soon. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.